I'm gonna add a couple pieces of just plain meat to this as well. All right, I'm gonna brown all the sides here and come back, okay? These are beautiful. I'm gonna take them out of the pot and get rid of the excess fat. All right, I'm gonna return all this to the pot. All right, I'm gonna add a half onion, a couple celery stalks, a piece of carrot, and about 5 garlic cloves which I smashed. Some bay leaves, and about 8 cups of water. That's 2 liters or 2 quarts. I'm gonna salt this, and some pepper. All right, we're gonna let this come to a boil, and then I'm gonna reduce the heat, and I'm gonna let it simmer for a good 45 minutes, okay? Go ahead and discard all that little scum from the top, okay? This has cooked for 45 minutes. I'm gonna take out the carrot, the onion, and all that stuff and leave the meat in there. We have a nice concentrated beef broth. I'm gonna add carrots, peas, and potatoes to this. That was a small carrot that I peeled and diced. And I'm gonna say about half a cup of peas, doesn't really matter. And the potatoes, I had baby potatoes in the fridge, so I didn't even bother peeling them. I just cut 4 or 5 up and put them in. I'm going to add 1 sliced green plantain. Obviously peeled. And I'm going to put half of another one, just whole like that. We're gonna cook this now for about 20 minutes until everything in there is cooked and softened. All right, this is done. I'm gonna do 2 things. I'm gonna take out the meat and cut it up so I can put it back in. And guys, I'm gonna grab that half plantain. And I'm going to blend it with a little bit of the broth. All right guys, here's the pureed banana. That's just gonna thicken our soup. And here's our meat. All right, I'm just gonna heat this through and we can eat. Check out that hearty soup. I put a little bit of cilantro on top for garnish. You can use parsley or nothing. But yeah, this is a very good, nutritious soup for any time of the year, but especially now for the winter. This will take away your winter blues. Guys, you're gonna love this. I promise you. Oh, it is fabulous. Thanks for watching. Oh, I'm gonna see you soon.